Dear students, in this video we are going to see a reduction formula for sin power nx. That is, we have to integrate sin power nx with respect to x. We have to know the value of integration of sin power nx dx. So let in is equal to integration of sin power nx dx. So இதோட வேல்யூ தான் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ sin power nx எப்படி பிரிக்கலாம், n minus 1 plus 1 எழுதலாம். ஸோ it is equal to integration of sin power n minus 1x into sin x dx னு எழுதலாம். So it is of the form u dv form. So u here u is sin power n minus 1x and dv is sin x dx. So u lende du find panna, if you differentiate this term you will get n minus 1 into sin power n minus 2 x. Again you have to differentiate sin x. Sin x differentiate பண்ணும்போது என்ன கிடைக்கும், you will get cos x. So differentiation of sin x is cos x into dx. So this is du. And if you have to find the value of v find பண்ணோம்னா integrate பண்ணும். So if you integrate sin x you will get minus cos x. So minus cos x is the value of integration of sin x. Sin x integrate பண்ணா you will get the value minus cos x. So apply the formula, integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. I have explained in the video, in the last video I have explained integration by parts, how to integrate by parts. Okay, so from that you will get integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. So what is uv here, u into v is sin power n minus 1x into minus cos x minus integration of v is minus cos x. So already minus is here, you can get plus. So cos x du value is n minus 1 into sin power n minus 2x cos x dx. So cos x into cos x will become cos squared x. So here you will get a minus sign, minus sin power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 can be taken outside, வெளியில் எடுத்துடலாம். So cos into cos is cos squared x. So cos squared x sin power n minus 2x dx. So cos squared எப்படி எழுதலாம், 1 minus sin squared x னு எழுதலாம். So it is equal to minus sin power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 into integration of 1 minus sin squared x னு எழுதிட்டேன், cos squared x into sin power n minus 2x dx. So sin power n minus 2x உள்ள multiply பண்ணா 1 into sin power n minus 2x is sin power n minus 2x. So you will get the same term here, plus n minus 1 into integration of sin power n minus 2x minus sin squared x sin power n minus 2x is sin power nx dx. So here you have minus sin power n minus 1x cos x and which is equal to minus sin power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 times of integration of sin power n minus 2x dx minus n minus 1 into integration of sin power nx dx. இந்த ரெண்டு டேர்மையும் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி எழுதியிருக்கேன். So what is the given problem, கொடுத்துக்க ப்ராப்ளம் என்னது, integration of sin power nx dx, that is nothing but in. So this value is equal to in. So in into n minus 1, so minus of n minus 1 into in. So here you have n minus 2, இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது, இங்கே n minus 2 இருக்குது, that is nothing but in minus 2. So n minus 1 into in minus 2 minus n minus 1 into in. So plus you will get this term, sin power n minus 1x cos x will be here, which is equal to in. So இந்த வேல்யூ ஐஎனுக்கு ஈக்குவல்னு தெரியும். ஸோ இங்கேயும் ஒரு ஐஎன் இருக்குது, இங்கேயும் ஒரு ஐஎன் டேர்ம் இருக்குது. ஸோ ரெண்டையும் கிளப் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ யூ வில் கெட் in plus n minus 1 into in is equal to minus sin power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. So if you add these terms you will get in minus in will go off. So you will get n in is equal to minus sin power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2 is the reduction formula for sin power nx dx. sin power nx dx ஓட integration value find பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா என்ன கிடைக்குது, n into in, that is 1 by n can be written, இங்கே எடுத்துக்கலாம் 1 by n கூட இங்கே எழுதிடலாம். ஸோ 1 by n, in is equal to 1 by n sin power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. 1 by n is common for all these terms. Okay, so this is the value for the reduction formula for sin power x. sin power nx oda reduction formula is that. Thank you.